Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm very happy and excited to announce the Mission 1000 contest on my channel, The Power of Excel. With all your love and support, we have already reached more than 850 subscribers over the past few months. And the mission here is to reach 1000 by the end of November 23. Once again, with your love and support. So, in case you are interested in participating in this contest and contribute towards the growth of this channel, please do not hesitate to enter your details using the Google form, whose link is given in the description below. And the top five contributors will receive a specially designed merchandise from the Power of Excel, something like this. So, in case you are interested, please do not hesitate to enter your details. And we'll see you soon in one of our next videos, really shortly. Thank you so much for watching all our content and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.